Hello techies, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today, let's see how to install a latest release of Python server on our CentOS7 mission. While our channel already covered 2.x release of the Python, this tutorial will teach you how to install a 3.x release. If you're wondering what's the difference between 2 and 3, the Python 2.x is in legacy while 3.x release is present and future. With 2 rapidly losing grounds to 3 since the major former is no longer under the active development, since all Linux distributions come with Python 2.x installed. So in this video we will show how to install and use Python 3.x in CentOS 7. Although we can install the core packages and the dependencies using yum and aptitude commands, we will explain how to perform the installation from the source instead. The reason is simple. This allows us to have a latest stable release of the language 3.6 and to provide a distribution agnostic installation method. So prior to installing Python in CentOS 7, let's make our system has necessary development dependencies. Let's check with the following command. It shows there is no installed dependencies. So a system must have all these necessary development dependencies to run the Python latest release. Now the installation of previous dependencies has been done. Now let's check with one more dependency. Now the dependency parts are done. Let's get started with hitting the source code. Now the installation should go on fine. You can see the tar file there. So let's extract the tar file. Now the tar file installation has been completed. So the next step will be configuring the file. Now the configuration part has been done. So the next step is going to be installation. Usually this is a time taking process. So just relax and go grab a snack if possible. So now we are in the final step of the installation. Just run this command make install. This is going to take a while. And I am fast forwarding the installation procedure. Now the Python server has been successfully installed in our machine. So after the installation is complete, use which command to verify the location of the main binary. Here you can verify the location of the main binary. And also the output of the above command should be similar like this. To exit the Python probe, simply type quit or Ctrl D. So now the Python 3.6 has been installed on our system. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the section below. If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For more videos, please do visit www.linuxhelp.com and also mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for further queries.